When you're a witch, it's really important to be able to protect yourself on the fly, meaning that you need to be able to protect yourself energetically if you suddenly feel the need to do so. You might be on public transport, you might be walking down the street, you might be within a group of people, you might be at work, you might be driving your car. There are times when you're going to feel you need that extra bit of protection, and this is where your energy work comes in to help you, and that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Hi, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, and if you're new to the channel and you want to become a witch or a Wiccan, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. So in this video, I'm talking about energy work and how you can use your energy work to protect yourself or shield yourself from either psychic attack, or sometimes it can even help with physical attack. Although I will press that if it's to do with physical safety, you should always take normal precautions to keep yourself safe physically. Don't just rely on magic, okay? You need to make sure that you're being smart with where you are and what you're doing, and that you know how to protect yourself physically as well as magically. So shielding yourself is the quickest way to put protection around yourself energetically. And by shielding, what I mean is simply energy. It's like a barrier that you can put up between you and another person or a situation or energy coming from that situation. Now, depending on how you program the shield will determine what type of shield it is. So you can put a shield around you that protects you so that anything that comes towards you either disintegrates, or it just falls flat, or it just dissipates, or it can't penetrate the shield. You can also use shielding to reflect back any energy that's being directed at you as well, and that's a mirror shield. So I'm going to show you the quickest way to do that and just talk you through the quickest way to do that. Now, if you're in the Mystery Witch School 101 course, you start the first module learning about energy work. And then for the first few modules, you learn about how to use energy and using energy in various different ways for various different things. And shielding, of course, is one of those ways of using that energy. So if you imagine that you are an energy system, okay, which we are. We have energy running through our body all of the time. We have chi, we're breathing it in, we're letting it out. This heka or chi is energy that we can use to protect ourselves, we can use to project out to the universe, and we can also collect if we need more of it. It's what we use for magic. If we are consecrating things, if we are charging things, we use this energy. So we can also use it to protect ourselves. So all you need to do is imagine that you're breathing in this energy into your body through the pores of your skin. So anybody who's familiar with Franz Barden's work will know it as pore breathing, where you're breathing in energy through the pores of your skin, and then you breathe it out. So you've got this sort of going in and going out. You can play with that just to get a sense of what it's like to breathe energy in as you breathe in, breathing it in through the pores of your skin as well as into your lungs, and then letting it out. You can collect the energy up through the ground, through your feet, up through your spine into your body, and of course you can collect it through the crown of your head going down into your body as well. You might be familiar already with tree breathing, where you're breathing like you've got roots of the tree and branches out to the heavens, breathing in energy in all those places. So these are places you can gather your energy through your pores, through your root chakra, and through your crown chakra. When you've gathered in the energy and you're wanting to push it out, all you need to do is direct that energy as to where you want it to go. So if you're breathing that energy out, just imagine, use your imagination, that the energy that you're breathing out is actually accumulating around you as a shield. Some people might imagine it as white light. I find blue to be more effective than white light. Blue does seem to be, I don't know, more effective on the astral, I feel anyway. So it can be a blue light that you push out from your body and surround yourself with. I do this a lot when I'm driving, and I actually put the energy right out from my body out around the car so that tailgaters actually get gently pushed back behind me, and it's really effective for tailgaters. So if you're driving and you've got somebody tailgating you, grab that energy in, push it out, and just imagine this energy. Each time you breathe out, you're expanding it further and further. It goes out even around your car, and it's pushing anybody who's behind you gently away from you, and they do end up having a distance from you. You can do this if you're on public transport and you've got somebody who might be sitting too close to you and you don't feel comfortable with that person. I have done this on trains where somebody has practically come and sat on me and I just did this poor breathing of breathing in and then breathing that energy out, and just imagining that this blue energy is pushing outwards and just gently nudging that person away. And after about 5 minutes or 10 minutes of doing this, the person was on the edge of the seat near the aisle. That's how far I was able to push them. So it's a gentle nudge to keep people away from you physically, and it also can help with energy. So if you're feeling like you're in a situation where there's other people around you who have got negative energy, you can use this shield and just program it and just imagine that any energy that's coming towards that either dissipates, or if you're wanting to do a mirror shield, breathe it out and imagine that outside of the shield, so you've got a blue undercoat, so to speak, and then outside, the outer layer is actually a mirror, and it's actually reflecting out around you, so that anything that's coming at you gets reflected back out. You can do that too, especially if you know somebody's deliberately throwing that kind of energy at you. You can do a mirror shield. So it's all to do with your imagination and feeling that energy coming out through your body. So you need to be in your body to do this exercise. So you have to get out of your head and into your body and just allow your body to breathe in that energy and then breathe it out. And as you're breathing it out, you use your visualization or any of your other senses. If you're not particularly visual, you can feel the energy. You can even hear maybe the energy's got a sound. Feeling it with touch, like feeling it touching your body and coming out from your body. It may even have a smell. You might want to give it a smell or a fragrance if visualization is an issue. Of course, the more senses you engage with this kind of work, the stronger your shield will be. So if you can visualize and you can use sound and you can use smell and you can use touch, then all the better for it. And that will actually help raise your vibrational energy as well, because you'll start to feel more protected and you're raising your vibration above that level of fear. You're actually focusing on being safe and being protected and feeling safe and feeling protected. So that is energy. I do teach that in Mystery Witch School 101 right at the very beginning of the course. And you use this energy along the way a lot in that course. So if you want to know more about that, check it out. The link to that is below this video. And I've also finally released a book. It's not exactly on magic. I wrote it about 4 years ago to hit the law of attraction crowd, the law of attraction scene, and of course the emotional freedom technique and the tapping side. So the book is about exploring a lot of things that are in relation to blocks that are stopping you from moving forward in your life, whether it is career-wise, love-wise, money-wise. It actually goes through a lot of shadow work type stuff, but I don't refer to it as shadow work in this book because I'm hitting a different audience. But it is relevant to witches and Wiccans, because it is about energy, it is about shadow work, and it is about magic, because I talk a lot about law of attraction and its relationship to magic in this book, and how you can actually use this as a Wiccan or a witch to actually help you with your magic and also with your shadow work. So that is on Kindle at the moment, on Amazon. As of this video, so I'm shooting this video, I think it's the 30th or the 29th of January 2020. The book is going to be released on Amazon on the 7th of February 2020. If you're watching this video before the 7th, you'll be able to pick it up on pre-sale. The link will be in the description field below, and you'll be able to pick it up pre-sale for 99 US cents. Okay, so that's 99 cents US, and the equivalent depending on where you live and what the currency conversion is. And if you're in Aussie, if you're in Australia, it's actually 99 cents only for Australians as well. So that's if you get it before the 7th of February. After that, the price will be going up. So I'll pop the link to that in the description field below so that you can get it pre-sale. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and subscribe and comment. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.